Ate Kaylin.
What's your name, your papa mo?
Rio.
Rio.
Rio. Bakit?
What's your ate mo?
Wala akong ate.
Meron, your classmate. What's your
Ay.
name, your ate mo?
Ate ko. Wala akong ate.
Hey, meron ikaw
Wala
sa
akong
dance
ate.
class.
Wala
Meron
akong
ikaw
ate.
yung class mo.
Wala.
Tingnan mo.
Wala.
Auntie ko yun. Tiko, 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 tiko.
Oh, ikaw naman. Ilang taon ka na?
I don't know.
But you don't know.
Ikaw, what's your taon ka?
I'm 19 years old. How about you?
I don't know.
6.
6.
You are 6. Magsi-6. Turning 6 years old. Yeah.
Si
Where
Mom.
do you live? Saan ka nakatira?
Sa bahay.
Saan bahay nyo?
Baway.
Saan?
Tunday yung ilong mo.
Saan? Saan bahay nyo?
Tunday yung ilong mo.
No, saan yung bahay nyo?
Tunday yung ilong mo.
Saan nga?
No, tunday.
Sityo? Ay, hindi. Barangay. Barangay?
Let's do this to make a hamburger. We need to pick some egg and now we get ready to do it to make a hamburger. Go.